Kia ora, good evening. A major new snapshot of child poverty in New Zealand has found thousands of Kiwi kids don't have enough to eat at home. That's as we also learn hundreds of free school lunches are being rejected by students, while others miss out altogether. We'll have more on today's Child Wellbeing Report shortly. First, though, this from Kristen Hall.
Free lunches at Hamilton's Fairfield College going down with mixed reviews.
Anything that's there, I'll just eat it because it's food.
Cheese and bread. Oh, cheese and bread. I was like, where's the meat?
The meals students across the city don't want are piling up at community centres every day. This table loaded with 440 lunches.
Not too many from the primary school, but then the most of it comes from the local high school.
80 meals left over from yesterday.
Annie Williams uses the uneaten lunches to feed those in her neighbourhood. Some days she gets up to 350 meals.
You know what kids are like, eh? Kids change their mind all the time.
The centres say the food's not going to waste. Lucy Te Hore picks up leftovers most days to help feed her whānau of 9.
This is the leftover kai from the schools, and with this we take it home and cook it all up for a big meal.
The lunches come from the government's Ka Ora Ka Ako program, targeted at the schools that have the highest 25% of socioeconomic disadvantage nationally.
I think it really is a game changer for our students.
But he admits there are too many meals being sent away.
I'll be honest, sometimes it's 20 and it can be as much as 200. I would like it not to be that many.
One News understands there are sometimes so many spare school lunches, even community centres end up with leftovers. I've spoken to one woman who regularly receives the lunches at her workplace. She says she doesn't really need them, but eats them so they don't go to waste.
I'm more shocked and disappointed that the kids are rejecting the meals in the first place and the quantity that's been going to waste because of it. There must be a better way to manage the numbers.
While there's hundreds going spare in Hamilton, less than an hour's drive north in the rural town of Ruawaro, these students don't get lunches provided.
Some of those children already have siblings who get the lunches at other schools, and I feel that they're missing out.
The government's made its commitments around which schools are going to get this. We're expanding the program to over 200,000 kids.
We could find 68 lunches to come out this way, would be great.
The government says it's confident the surplus will go down, but for now these students won't be getting what their peers are turning away. Kristen Hall, One News.